What if the pain you're running from isn't chasing you to break you, but to wake you up? What if every scar, every silent breakdown, was never a curse, but a calling? Not to destroy you, but to rebuild you. Because the people who cross the finish line in life, they aren't the ones who avoid pain. They're the ones who conquer it. Pain has a voice. It whispers in the dark, screams in silence. It shows up when no one else does, and demands your attention. Most people run, distract, numb. But here's the truth. Pain is a signal, not a sentence. It's your soul saying, something needs to change. And it starts with you. What if you stopped asking, why me? And started asking, what now? Because the ones who rise, who become unshakable, unstoppable, undeniable, aren't the ones who avoided pain. They're the ones who walked through it, and came out with fire in their eyes. This is the finish line mindset. A mindset not built on comfort, but on courage. Not on escape, but on evolution. And it may just change how you see pain, forever. There's a mindset few speak about. It's not toxic positivity. It's not pretending pain doesn't exist. It's about using it, harnessing it, letting it fuel you. It's called the finish line mindset. And it's for those who are tired. Tired of suffering in silence. Tired of starting over. Tired of waiting for life to change. Because life doesn't reward comfort. It rewards those who keep moving. Especially when it hurts. Pain isn't the end of your story. It's the beginning of your transformation. Meet Sarah. Not a superhero. Not a celebrity. Just someone, like you. A soul who'd seen pain up close. An accident left her with scars on her skin, and deeper ones on her spirit. Outside, she smiled. But inside, she was breaking. Bit by bit. Every day, Sarah fought a battle no one saw. Until one night, alone by the window, raindrops mirrored the tears on her cheeks. That night, she stumbled upon something. An article about post-traumatic growth. It spoke of those who didn't just survive their suffering. They grew because of it. She learned about neuroplasticity. How the brain rewires itself with intention. How struggle can shape strength. That moment was a spark. For the first time, she didn't see pain as a prison. She saw it as a starting line. She began journaling. Just a few lines a night. Her fears. Her failures. Her tiny victories. And slowly, that journal became a mirror of her soul. She found a therapist. Learned about the finish line mindset. Began to see her scars as proof. Every day, she repeated one line. My pain does not define me. It refines me. Not overnight, but day by day. She transformed. It wasn't easy. There were days she broke. Nights she cried. But she always came back. To her journal. To her mantra. To herself. And one day, she noticed something. The pain that once crippled her now carried her. It wasn't a chain. It was a bridge. She didn't just heal. She evolved. And her story? It's not rare. It's real. It's the story of anyone who chooses to rise. Science backs this too. It's called post-traumatic growth. Studies show that people who face deep pain often come out with stronger purpose, better relationships, greater emotional resilience. Why? Because pain interrupts the pattern. It forces us to stop, reflect, rebuild, intentionally. With neuroplasticity, your brain isn't fixed. When you journal, reflect, and act with purpose, you're not just healing emotionally. You're rewiring your mind, biologically. You become mentally tougher, more focused, more aware. So no, pain doesn't break you. It builds you. This is how you train your finish line mindset. Step 1, accept the pain. Don't run from it. Feel it. Name it. Let it speak. That's where healing begins. Step 2, define your finish line. What does victory look like to you? Write it. See it. Own it. Step 3, build identity, not just habits. Don't just try. Become the person who rises. Let actions reshape your belief. Step 4, train daily. Breathe. Journal. Feed your mind with strength, every morning. Step 5, rewrite the narrative. This broke me? No. This built me. Repeat it. Let it become your truth. And when you feel weak, go back. Remember who you were. And how far you've come. You didn't survive that moment, just to quit here. Pain doesn't mean the end. It means something new is beginning. You've walked through storms, felt what others never saw. And still, you're here. That alone means you're stronger than you know. This is your finish line mindset. Not running faster, but refusing to stop. So stand up. Look your pain in the face. And say it out loud. This pain will not break me. It will build me. And if this message touched your soul, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone walking through their own fire. Because sometimes, all we need is a reminder. You were born to finish strong.